Michelle here from StrawBearie.com, and today I'm going to show you some absolutely completely free things that you can get to put in your OCC, Operation Christmas Child, shoe boxes. Alright, so the first thing are bags. If you have ever gotten a gift from Amazon, it has probably come in one of these bags. This is the Amazon gift wrapping. These bags are so pretty, but I'm never going to reuse these to give a gift myself, and they come in different sizes, so if you ever get a gift from Amazon, don't forget about the bag. Now this next one is a little controversial, but it is allowed by OCC, and that is a Crown Royal bag. So if you know someone who likes to drink that, they can give you the bags. And if you don't like the words on it, you can always put a patch over it. Then there's shopping bags. If you go to a conference, they like to give out bags. Bags for free. Every little booth in a vendor area. Ooh, that's a nice canvas one. That one's pretty sturdy. This one's more like a grocery store bag, but it's big. Here's a nice clear plastic bag. Here's a nice bag. This one is a sling backpack. So you can get so many different types of bags. This is a large backpack for free at conferences, which is the best place to go. So if you have a conference or convention, or if somebody in your church goes on conferences or conventions pretty often, have them go check out the vendors, because in the vendor section you can find all kinds of things. Now I wouldn't recommend putting everything in the same shoebox, but companies will give out things for free for their branding, their little freebies, and putting one thing in each box I think could be really cool. So if I can figure this out, this is a crab hat. This I got at a conference. It is a pair of socks. Here is a t-shirt that they were giving out for free. Of course, you can get lanyards usually, and face mask, and sometimes you can even snag some sunglasses. Now these sunglasses were actually given out at a football game for free outside, a college football game. And I believe so were these bracelets and these buttons that you can put onto your shirt. Vendors like to give out pads of paper, more lanyards, stress balls. Stress balls are a thing that you can get from a lot of vendors at conferences and stuff, and stress balls can come in different shapes. So this one's a football. Here is another pair of sunglasses from a vendor. Ah, look at this one. This is a van. And here is a hat that was given away for free. And here is a slap bracelet. So all of these things I have gotten for free. I'm a teacher, and I used to put a lot of these things in my treasure box at school. I teach middle schoolers. And now I kind of separate them, and I put some in my treasure box for school, and I put the rest in my OCC boxes. Here are some stickers. These are alphabet stickers. These came in the mail for free. People send stickers in the mail for free a lot. A water bottle at a convention. Toothbrushes. So as I said, I'm a teacher, and at the beginning of every year, my town does a health fair for all of the teachers, and all the doctors and the workout gyms and dentists and stuff come to this health fair, trying to get you to, go to their business from now on. And so you can get toothbrushes there and things. Here's another pair of socks that I got from a convention. Sometimes you will get gifts in these little organza bags, and these are great to put little special things in your shoe boxes. Sometimes you can pick up free cups. A light up bouncy ball that came from a vendor. Here is another stress ball. Okay, speaking of stress balls, let's see. I have a stress cloud, a stress. It just fell off the table. It was an alien. I'll get it in a minute. And another stress ball. Here is an egg with silly putty inside. You can always get stickers. Now, sometimes you get stickers from your vendors and stuff. So these I got from my conference from a vendor. These I got on some tumblers that I had. More from vendors. Let's see. This pen was from a vendor. How cute is that? It's got a little hand on it. So it's like a little, hey, I know the answer. And it's got a pen on it too. Which you can get tons of pens and pencils for free from vendors, from businesses. All of these have like a business name on them. Sometimes you can go to the conventions to get them. Sometimes you may just be visiting that business and they have a cup of pens sitting out there and just say, hey, can I have one of those pens? And most of the time they'll say yes. Oh, this is a stress school bus. How cute is that? Oh, have to show you this. This is from one of our local dentists. It is a toothbrush that comes in its own little case. How cool is that? Now, you do sometimes get things like hand sanitizer, which can't be put in the shoe boxes because of the liquid. So for this, I would save this for my students at school. Dental floss, glass cleaning cloth, a deck of cards. This was a freebie. Little clips, and this clip also has a magnet on it. Lanyard, what's this called? I know what this is called. Carabiner, that's it. Tools, so this is a measuring tape, and it's got a screwdriver, bottle opener thing on it. Sometimes you can get metal round, I don't know if I have any, little multi-purpose tools as well for free from some of the vendors. More notepads, chapstick, another bracelet. Okay, so this keychain we've actually had for a long time and has keys on it. So I'm not going to send this one, but I have some at school that I'm going to use that are not just a keychain, it's also a flashlight. A lot of these businesses give these things out for free. And with all of this stuff, I can put one or two in each of my boxes and just help fill it up a little bit more, or maybe even use it as filler to send to the processing center. We want our kids' boxes to be nice and full of things, and some of these things are great things and you can get them for free. Look at all of this stuff that I have picked up completely for free that can be used in shoe boxes for OCC. So remember to remind people that you know that travel for business or go to conferences a lot to always pick up a little extra for you and for your shoe boxes. It's a great way to get some free items. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And in the comments, tell me something that you've gotten for free and share it so other people can kind of maybe get some more ideas of things that they could get for free to put in their OCC shoe boxes. Toodles! Here's the alien that fell off the table. Isn't he cute?